Let's delve into the hotel and travel template encompassing various sections and pages. The home section highlights facilities, interior pictures and image gallery and testimonials. Next, we transition to the second page, housing detailed information about hotel rooms. Facilities page and contact page. I have opened another template for an e-commerce store. You can view the website. It's designed just like an e-commerce store. You can make changes to it as it already includes almost all the necessary options for an e-commerce store, such as different pages, filtration option, and an add to cart feature. Click add to cart, view cart, proceed to checkout. With this pre-built design, your coding time will be significantly reduced. Helps you to create a website easily. Click on Close. Select this template. Click on Continue to fill in the required details. Once done, click on Submit and build my website. Look at this beautiful website template I have uploaded. It is a stunning design with various sections that you can explore, highlighting how well organized and visually appealing it is while also being structured efficiently, offering a seamless browsing experience. Now let's move on to editing the header section in just a few minutes during the next session.